India is now on the threshold to become a global power. Propelled by an impressive economic performance in the last decade, it has seen the multi-dimensional growth in various sectors. The automotive industry is one of them, which has demonstrated sustained growth. Many automobile companies of the world have introduced various forms of high-tech vehicles for Indian roads. The high performance of the high-tech vehicles requires the high-quality engine oils and lubricants. Being the frontline corporation in energy and oil sector, HPCL is committed to provide high-quality world-class engine oils and lubricants. In the lush green surroundings lies HPCL's state-of-the-art lube blending plant. Hindustan Petroleum Lubes is an integral part of HPCL, and the Silvassa HPCL lube blending plant has time and again proved its excellence, thus positioning HPCL as a global power in this category. Situated amidst 10 acres of sprawling greenery, Silvassa Lube Blending Plant is an environment-friendly structure in harmony with its surroundings. A technological marvel, it is a state-of-the-art, fully automated unit designed to manufacture high-quality lubricants and engine oils.
We needed a very modern, world-class plant so that our customers are reassured that the quality of the lubes that we produce are also world-class. Today, if HPCL is one of the top players in the lubes game, I think a great deal is thanks to the Silvassa blending plant.
HPCL wheels in the best and purest raw materials into the plant. This raw material is the base oil. It gets unloaded at the unloading bay. But before being unloaded, its quality is thoroughly determined through sample checks. This is just the first of the checkpoints for quality and purity.
Silvassa Lube Blending Plant is a pride of HPCL. Why it is a pride? Because this is the plant where you find that the upper deck of the process plant, I think that may be one of the rarest in the world, that is carpeted. It is the standard of maintenance that is being followed in the Silvassa plant.
So this plant is fully automatic, and the manufacturing capacity of the plant is somewhere about 60,000 metric ton per annum. There are 12 number of kettles where we do our blending of the lubes.
The fully computerized and automated state-of-the-art blending lab requires to keep the track of lubricant processing.
To ensure that we provide quality product to our consumers and to ensure no contamination during manufacture, all the processes is being carried out automatically through our distributed control system.
After the first screening of raw materials, the base oils flow through dedicated lines into the blending plant kettles. The additives simultaneously, through their own dedicated pipes, reach the blending plant at predetermined points under required temperatures and pressures. In the blending plant, the base oil and additives are thereby mixed through horizontal and vertical motions that creates the magic formula, that is, the lube oil. Thus, the complete blending operation is done through the distribution control system. DCS. The blended product also undergoes testing before being sent to storage tanks. The final product is then transferred to storage tanks and then to filling lines to be filled up in drums or buckets. After this, the lube oil is packed into containers. Automatic machines with filling rates around 120 drums per hour are used for this purpose.
It is amazing to see that a 60,000 ton blending unit is being managed by a total number of 10 officers. Today, this plant can blend any type of lubricant that we so desire, and in the time period that we want. It is a fully automated plant.
The bucket filling capacity of the plant is 300 buckets per hour.
This particular plant, when it was constructed, we constructed in such a way that it becomes a customer friendly plant in future. Today customers can get any quantity, any quality as per the requirement. It is possible to manufacture a certain batch only for the customer. Earlier it was not possible to make specific for the customer. Today it is possible.
The three different forms of containers available are the buckets or pails, the drums, and the bulk storage. This helps consumer make their choice in accordance with their requirements. But the procedural checks do not stop here. This final product, the blended lube oil, is again put through the rigors of another screening to recheck its quality in pursuit of excellence and world-class product. The multiple methods of screening and cross-checkings at every stage of the production ensures world-class high-quality engine oils and eventually create its great reliability and friendliness to the buyers. At every point, the systems in place are automated and the repetitive, thorough quality checks done with so minute precision leaves no flaws in the product.
If you visit Silvassa plant, you will not find a single drop of product lying on the platform. It is the standard of maintenance that is being followed at the Silvassa plant.
This may be the reason that the plant has been awarded with the ISO 9001-2000 and 14001-2004 and Oil Industry Safety Directorate OISD Award for safety. The quality of its products can be determined from the fact that HPCL products are used in aviation, marine and shipping industries too.
And whenever a customer visits to that plant, he feels that he has entered into a world-class facility. Silvassa plant is the pride of HPCL.
I would hazard a guess by saying that this could be one of the best lube blending plants in Asia, and I would also say that it would be one of the best plants, top 10 plants in the world as well. That is the kind of sophistication this plant has.
Thus, the world-class engine oils with its high quotient reach the market and emboss the lasting rapport with the customers by winning their trust.